I'm about to pull a prank on my family and friends to tell them that watch out. I'm going to call my mom now. Mommy.
Good morning.
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mommy.
Hmm?
I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I missed my period.
Oh no.
I'm pregnant.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, good then. Your imagine shin your car.
Eh?
Shin your imagine keep you man.
Mom is a prank. I'm going to prank the second person right now, and that's my friend Calista.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. What's up?
I'm good there. How are you?
I'm fine. Baby.
What they go on?
I'm not fine. No.
Which one they are not fine? Of course, everyone is not fine this period. It's not down. Everyone has not be fine.
I know, right?
Yes.
Well, I wanted to tell you I missed my period and I checked and I saw the 2 reds, so that means I'm pregnant. I don't know what to do.
Wait, you missed your period and then you saw 2 reds on the pregnancy test, whatever, right?
Yeah.
So you're pregnant?
Yes.
Hey, I'm going to be your auntie.
No, Callie.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Is it the one I know?
I don't even know. For real.
Vicky, are you high? How do you mean you don't even know for real?
I'm serious. Callie, I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I'm just having mixed feelings.
Yeah, oh my god. So which means, okay, but the happy feeling is better than the sad feeling. Which one?
The sad feeling is better than the happy feeling because I don't know who the dad is.
Oh my god. No, how about you can't be kidding me? How can you say you don't know who that? Wait. Babe, are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey. I mean, I was just sitting here and was happy when I heard you. Oh my god, oh my goodness. So when there has to be a way now, there has to be a way we can find out. I mean, like, you should know who you were with last or something, right?
It's a prank.
Please, it's like something is wrong today. Please don't wake me up telling the money to prank me. Like, what kind of nonsense?
I'm going to call my friend Chineyen. Let's see what goes down.
Baby, how far?
I'm fine. Chineyen, what's up?
You say you're speaking. This is speaking English. What's happened?
Oh, Chineyen. I know well.
You're not well. What's wrong with you?
I missed my period.
You did what?
I missed my period and I did the home pregnancy test.
You did what? I'm not understanding.
I said I missed my period, so I used the home pregnancy kit to check and it showed the 2 lines that I am pregnant.
Hey, somebody's gonna be an auntie.
Chineyen, it's not funny. I don't know what to do. I don't know who the father is.
Are you alright? There's no promoting in this 2020. Your mama is one coronavirus baby.
Chini.
I don't understand what you're saying. Go and check. Think well.
Chini, you know my.
Who goes there last?
Chini,
serious?
yeah, you know my boyfriend is not here, so I'm scared. I don't know what to tell him.
What do you mean by you don't know who? What kind of question is this one? What do you mean? It's as in, is everybody to? What do you want me to say that? Is every day is open leg? Think of the person that got you pregnant now.
I don't know. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do now. If I should remove the baby or.
I said nothing is going out. The baby has come to stay. This is a blessing in disguise. So come on, babe. I'm being serious. You know I'm always joking, but whatever I'm saying, you know I'm very serious. Trust me. There's no need. Don't even think that word. If you don't know, I'll be the father. You'll be the mother. Calista will be the sibling.
You're a fool. He's a prank, motherfucker.